Hi friends, it's Julia and I am here with my January 2022 Counterfeit Kit Challenge series. Today is day number 3 and today I'm starting off with a page map sketch from January 2022 and it is number 3. Sorry, it is an 8.5 by 11 sketch and it's here at the top. I've already done this one, so it's the one next to it. I'm going to transform it into a 12 by 12. So what I've got here is I've got a single photo and it is in vertical as opposed to horizontal fashion. I've got a couple of scraps of paper and then I have this lovely bold black with white print piece of paper that I'm going to use in the sketch. It has kind of a pattern paper back here with the solid paper around, and so I just went into my stash and pulled out this basil white sheet of paper that I'm going to use for my background. As far as embellishments go, I pulled in both the sticker sheets that I received with the Highline collection. This one is tons of tiny little letters. I'm going to use that for part of my title. And then this sticker sheet, I'm going to try and use something from there. I pulled in a border strip from the basil pack that I had. Some more of the cut-aparts I've put in here off those pages from CSI. I've added this wood veneer. It says on this day. I've added quite a few chipboard pieces. I have all of these up here as well as the words. Plus I added in this sheet as well. I added in labels and I added in 1, 2, 3 different sets of washi strips and these tile letters from Freckled Fawn. I'm not sure if I'm going to use those yet, but I may. And then I showed you the scraps of paper. So that's everything that I am starting with. So give me a few minutes. I'll show you a close-up of the sketch that I'm going to be using, and then I will be back to show you what I have created. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 3. So, well, I thought I had what I didn't use right on top. What I didn't use were these little cut-aparts. But they'll go back into my stash. I'll try and get them used on another layout. These are my paper scraps. I did pull in a sheet of this teal colored pattern paper and I cut it down to use as a background, and I had a smaller little piece there. The border strips, and then of course a big chunk of that black with white words. Anywho, so I did use these. I pulled those in as well as an addition. I think those were the only thing that I pulled in extra. I did use a word or a phrase from here. I did use a phrase from here and a little square from there. I did use a couple of stickers from here. I used all of the washi strips. I used some of the cameras from here. I used from this piece, I had a black arrow left on here that I used, and from here I used these scallop pieces here. I ended up using this as well as the tiny alphabet. I did use a couple of stickers here and here from this sheet, and there's the tiny stickers, the ones that I used. Oh my gosh, I remember how much I love these and how much I hate these. I will show you a close-up of the, I will have shown you a close-up of the sketch, and it is this 8.5 by 11, and here is the layout that I created. You can see it's a little like the inspiration and a little not like the inspiration. So the inspiration had a horizontal photo, and mine is vertical. It had this long strip with an embellishment cluster here, a title, and then some word phrases or journaling spot down the side, and so I just incorporated all of it. I didn't really have any type of circle with an image on it, so I used a ton of stuff. I used the big wood veneer that I had. I used the puffy stickers. There's a piece of chipboard there, another piece here, and another piece here. There's the washi strip down the side. There's the border strip here. There's the orange title. There's the 2 labels with the small font phrase or small font letters on there. There's the chipboard pieces down the side, another chipboard piece here, and then also a sticker here and another of those puffy stars there. Anyway, that's it. I will have close-ups of this layout when at the end of the video, so if you're interested in seeing those, make sure stay tuned. I do have a playlist on my channel called Counterfeit Kit Challenge Kit, and on it you will find all the layouts for this, as well as on the playlist called January 2022 if you're interested in seeing the others that I have created with this kit. Anyway, come back tomorrow. I'll have another layout up from this kit, and until then, you guys have a great day. Bye bye.